Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about the kinetic theory of gases. Boyle's law. Boyle's law states that for a fixed mass of an ideal gas kept at a fixed temperature, pressure and volume are inversely proportional. When a gas is at constant temperature, the average kinetic energy of the gas particles remains the same. There is no change in the moving speed of the particles. If the container is larger, the particles travel from one end of the container to the other in a longer period of time. This means that they hit the walls less often. The pressure of the gas is low as the frequency of the collisions with the walls is low. If the container is smaller, the particles travel from one end of the container to the other in a shorter period of time. This means that they hit the walls more often. Any increase in the frequency of collisions with the walls must lead to an increase in the pressure of the gas. Thus, the pressure of a gas becomes larger as the volume of the gas becomes smaller.
Charles' law states that the volume of an ideal gas is directly proportional to the absolute temperature at constant pressure. The law also states that the Kelvin temperature and the volume will be in direct proportion when the pressure exerted on a sample of a dry gas is held constant. The average kinetic energy of the particles in a gas is proportional to the temperature of the gas. Because the mass of these particles is constant, the particles must move faster as the gas becomes warmer. If they move faster, the particles will exert as greater force on the container each time they hit the walls, which leads to an increase in the pressure of the gas. If the walls of the container are flexible, it will expand until the pressure of the gas once more balances the pressure of the atmosphere. The volume of the gas therefore becomes larger as the temperature of the gas increases. Charles' law formula is written as V1 is divided by T1 equal to V2 is divided by T2. When pressure is constant, this equation is used to compare different conditions on the same substance.
Next, I will explain about Avogadro's law. In this law, the pressure and temperature of gas remain unchanged. Thus, the kinetic energy of gas will be constant. First, this scene shows that the gas particles are in a small container with 1 cm3. Thus, it has only 1 mole of gas. Next, this scene shows about the gas particles are in large container with 2 cm3. Thus, it has 2 mole of gas particle. This means that the volume of gas is directly proportional to the number of mole of gas. And why this happens? As the number of gas particles increase, the frequency of collisions with the walls of the container must increase. This, in turn, leads to an increase in the pressure of gas. Flexible containers, such as a balloon, will expand until the pressure of the gas inside the balloon once again balances the pressure of the gas outside. Thus, the volume of the gas is proportional to the number of the gas particles. And the formula for the Avogadro's law is V1 divided by N1 equal to V2 divided by N2. V is represent the volume of gas and N is represent the number of mole of gas.
That's all for today. See you in the next video.